Did you bring your battery charger for your phone?
No. It's time to go get some geocaches. Are you ready? Today we're going to be doing a trail ride on our e-bikes. So we're going to be doing some caches along a trail for Slocan Lake. Let's go.
Let's head out.
We found the first one on our trail ride, and we've hopefully established what the container type is like, so that as we're searching for the next ones down the trail, we'll be able to find them a little easier and quicker. X marks the spot, they say. Well, does that look like an X? Or does that look like an X? I had looked for this one before Lyriclass rode up, and I wasn't having any luck. And then I was reading the logs, and the Kootenai Pirate said that Mrs. Pirate pulled up the original Jiggity puzzle, and this trail is made up of puzzles that Lyriclass solved while we were camping last night. And the original picture shows you where the geocache is, so that might help us with our previous DNF. So we located this spot based on the original Jiggity puzzle picture. So that was pretty cool. Very useful information by the Kootenai Pirates. And Lyriclass located it, and I retrieved it. Next up, 233 meters. This one is called Painted Rock, and I wonder where it could be. Oh, look at that. There you go. Another cache found. I hope you're enjoying our outing here in BC along the lake and this beautiful trail. We'll get this one signed up and onward to the next one. Find it?
Not yet. I just got off my bike.
Oh. Not that rock?
I was at the wrong end. Nope. So there's a rock there and a big tree.
It's looking that way.
Dirt.
Oh, there's the metal loop. That right there, that metal loop was on that rock. Right there, there's a rock underneath that big rock. Yeah, move this little rock here.
Yep.
That's where it is. Nice.
Cheap. The coordinates helped more than the picture that time.
Well, it was hard to use the picture because we needed to be on the other side of this big rock. We were trying to look at the view from over there, which you needed to climb over, and then boom, there's the view. And a beautiful view it is. I don't think I've done a series before where you use the Jiggity puzzle pictures to identify ground zero. That's pretty cool. I'll have to remember that and maybe create some geocaches like that ourselves. We were all over this rock, and Lyric Lassie even went up top, and I looked in this area right in here. It said look down the crack, and we weren't able to locate it. But then I looked at the logs, saw a photo, and I saw a picture of a woman standing right about where those two rocks are. And I was thinking, okay, what cracks are around here? And I looked in here on that side over here, and I couldn't find it over there. And then I saw this stick sticking out here, and I thought, well, maybe it was on a stick, and that wasn't it. Then I looked further down. I'm looking in there, and then underneath this moss on the right hand side, there it was. I had just put in a DNF log, and then I thought, no, I'm going to take one last look, and boom, got it. It's the last one on our trail, and on our way back, we're going to check the one puzzle cache that we couldn't get, because we looked at the picture, and it should be right where both of us looked. Just got to look a little harder. So here we go. Put that back in there. Nice. I'll put the stick back. I'm going to put this stick back, and then we'll be back down the trail. Can't forget the camera. Come on, let's go.